It is said that girls with dreams become women with vision. I am Priyanti Pereira, a daughter, a wife, a mother, a career woman with a passion to become the dream of a whole new world of happiness in the life of every single being on this world. I want to work towards a task where every single person in my country must be a strength to each other and live their own dreams. The world have always got used to a system where the rich gets richer, the poor gets poorer. This is where it struck me that I, as a woman, where and how can I start changing the system? I started my journey when I was a child. As my father was a politician plus a social worker, I grew up watching him, how he cared for people. My mother, the first influencer in my life as a woman, gave me more courage and made me start the dream of what I am today. Life was never a smooth journey. It was filled with making tough decisions in many different occasions. I studied at St. Paul's Girls' School, Milagiriya, graduated in 1992, and soon after school, I started my higher studies in accounting. While doing my higher studies, I started work at Caves Group of Companies as an accounts executive, and I worked there for a period of 10 years, ended my career there as a head of the department. In the year 2000, I got married, and now I have a son and a daughter. Then, in the year 2012, I started my own company, See-Through Fashions and Embroidery, and was appointed as the managing director of See-Through Travels. My newest venture, Isabella Clothing, started in 2020, a branded clothing manufacturing company. In the year 2014, I joined the Past Pupils Association of our school as a committee member and was a part of many fundraising and social sustainability projects. In the year 2019, I was appointed as the Vice President of the association. Under my leadership, we organized many different projects within the school and outside, help uplift the development of the school, and support the life of less income earners in the society. As a result, I have managed to present a 49-seater luxury bus worth 141 lakhs to the school. And from there onwards, we have been successful to save up rupees 1.5 million plus funds for the school and the association. I, with my team, we renovated the school sick room, we completely refurbished the school junior library, organized projects to help the flood victims affected by COVID-19 who have lost their jobs. Currently, I'm working on a project to distribute electronic devices to students who are less privileged and cannot take part in online classes due to lack of facilities. So far, we have gifted 10 phone units, and we have also distributed essential food packs to 70 families in remote areas of the country who have lost their jobs due to COVID-19. The project to distribute pomegranate fruits to the patients of the cancer hospital was a major project organized by me and was a great success. I am an animal lover. I have formed a project to protect homeless animals, as in my view, they also reserve the right to live. My aim is to form an organization to protect the lives of homeless animals and make every life matter. Being a leader, a woman, is not easy. There have been many occasions where people discourage you, laugh at you, keep their big eyes on you to see you fall. It takes a lot of courage to bear up everything, confidently face obstacles, and live your dream and travel the journey. I, as a woman, will use my whole strength and capabilities to serve my nation in the best possible ways I can, as I have been there, experienced the worst and the best. I am so grateful to receive this award for all the sacrifices and hard times I have been through. I wish to thank the women icon and Times Women team for the award, and everyone who supported me all throughout this journey.